Hello and welcome to the unboxing of another Xiaomi device.
In this video, we'll take a look at the Xiaomi Leshow SS4 Smart Bladeless Standing Fan. This fan is available from various Chinese sellers like AliExpress, Banggood, etc. But I got it from TomTop because they had it in German warehouse. That means that it arrived in like 4 working days. For $114, this is definitely a good deal since European warehouse means that there is no chance of paying the customs fee. This fan is 2.4 kilograms, 0.96 meters in height, and it features 11 levels adjustable wind speed. There's also timing mode so that it can automatically power off after a certain time with maximum of 8 hours, and it has blowing angle of 90 degrees. The cable supplied with the fan is 1.5 meters long. Apart from Mi Home app, this fan can also be controlled with included magnetic remote controller.
Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.